Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Google Drive on our computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Google Drive account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address drive.google.com and hit on enter. And after that, you'll be directed to the Google Drive page over here. And now in order to log into your Google Drive account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the sign in button available for us. Click on that, and over here guys, you'll be required to enter your username or your email address of your Google Drive account or your phone number, and then click on next, and then over here enter your password, and after click on next, and after the necessary verification you'll be logged into your Google Drive account by this process. And this is how to log into your Google Drive account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.